Hatchie River again, and I am shooting for some catfish. I got some live bait that I caught here. I got some, I think they're some kind of shiners. They're pretty big minnows. And I also got some live bluegill that I caught here. Cut one of them up to cut bait, and I got it on 2 poles. Live shiner on 1 pole, live bluegill on 1 pole, and I also went ahead and picked up some chicken liver, and I got it on my little pole. See what we can catch. I hope this ain't a gar. Something big. Ooh, that's a big old catfish. That's a big old catfish. And that's on one of my small poles. He ain't wanting to come up, that's for sure. That's a good one. That ain't my best, I don't think, but that's my best one out of this river, I'm for sure. That's a good one. That is a good one. I don't care who you are. All right. Get to test out my whisker seeker scale. Ah, peeing on me. Isn't losing weight, don't pee. What y'all think the weight is? All right, that's a good way to start the day. So let's let her go. All right. Man, that might have been the hardest fighting fish I've ever caught, to be honest. All right, let's catch another. Woo, that monster. I'm talking about monster. That's one of them catfish that will fin the doo-doo out of you. Go. Y'all think I need to break out the scale for this bad boy? I don't know if that scale will handle it. I don't want to break my new scale. We'll just let this one go. That's the second one on chicken liver. I caught a blue cat, just a tad bit bigger than that on chicken liver. Ever since I caught that big fish, I ain't really got no bites here on my other baits. Might be time to pack it up and try another spot. I set this pole out, I had it Carolina rigged. I broke it off right off the bat. So I retied it with a 3-way. I got a 3-way swivel with a 25-pound leader. I think this is a 3/0 Team Catfish octopus hook. And then I got 6-pound test down to my weight on a swivel. That way if I get hung up on something, hopefully I can break this line and keep the rest of this, and I just tie up another weight so I'll lose a weight instead of losing my whole rig. It's the first time I've tried this exact setup, and I hope it works out. This river right here ain't nothing but snags. A little bit better, not by much. Could almost get a sandwich out of him, almost. Good eater size on the cut bait. Lucky for him, I ain't keeping none today. Let it go. Alright, it's about 12:15. I'm gonna call it for the day. Pretty good day. That's the biggest catfish I ever caught out of this river. And then I followed up with a bunch of dinks, but it's still fun. As long as you're having fun, that's all that counts. Hopefully this is a sign that the fall bite is underway. We got some cool temperatures coming through. I'm gonna be splitting my time between fishing and hunting, I imagine, what little free time I will have. Bow season's open in Tennessee, but I haven't had a chance to go yet. I'm gonna try to film some hunting stuff this year. I've already filmed some stuff about scouting and trail cameras and stuff, and hopefully I can try to film some hunts. My main thing is screwing up a hunt, messing with a camera, but we'll see. As always, I appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to like, leave a comment below, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I'll see you on the next one.